Hi. What were you just talking about? Yeah. Oh my goodness. I don't know what that means.